Man, fuel's probably the best smell in the world, honestly. There's a slight bit of body roll in this thing. And the brakes are hardly existing right now. So I don't know if it's just because it hasn't been driven in a minute, but we'll put some miles on it and see what it does. It had a carburetor issue. Same carburetor that's on the boat that I have, ironically. This has a 460 in it though. I'd roll my windows down, but they don't work. Heavy. She a big girl. The Speedo is on a roller, so you can see it rolling. You can watch the Speedo roll forward and backwards. Can you imagine being on a road trip with your family in this thing? Just shut the hell up! We'll get there when we get there! Nope. Just me all alone. In all this room. You can have so much fun in this thing. There's so much room for activities. So this is a 1968 Lincoln Continental hardtop. It's got speed control. This thing's got speed control. Has AC in it. A stereo. Still works.
Hang on, let me get out of the way. That's what I was wondering. Car might go down. Dude,
that's crazy that there's air
shocks. Right here.
Yeah, there's a.
Yeah, but there's no fitting though. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, it is right here.
Right on the bottom
right
of the
there.
car. Yep. Oh my god, dude.
Right there, dude. Aftermarket air flushing shocks.
Huh.
There's an air fitting right here. Do you think I can get that fixed up? I don't know.
They probably still work. This might be an old drag car and you don't even know about it. Yeah. Yeah.
Car can actually get out. cage, it's a single bolt. That's not a cage.
You ready to put the stuff on?
Fire the hole.
Shut up! Shut up!
Found it. Little fuel somewhere?
Yeah. Small leak.
She's a squirter.
Oh, I'll see.